Like a light bulb moment. Like, oh, of course that's
like,
what it means.
I just thought, oh, yeah, they play at night. It just makes sense. And it's what they're doing at nighttime. Okay.
Yeah. No, the people living in Arlington have been here their whole lives. Which one of you been here?
We both. Yeah.
You know, so you're the true Arlingtonites. You know, we spell it a little different, but you're the true people. You believe in Arlington. You've been here your whole life. Mm-hmm. And all the bad rap we get, it's like, no, Arlington's a great place to live, play, and stay, and that's where the name actually came from.
Awesome. Now, if more people want to check out Arlington Nights and see what you guys are actually doing, where can they find that at?
Facebook, Arlington Nights. It's NIGHTS, not with a K, and it's not any type of bar. It's just where you find the music in Arlington. Mm-hmm. We was explaining that to the person downstairs.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for coming in. It was great seeing you again and talking with you, and we're going to see you around.
Yeah,
I know
we'll have you back for sure.
I hope you're there for the chat and do tomorrow at the museum.
We will definitely be there.
I've got a kid. Oh, where is it?
The museum.
It's at the Arlington Museum.
Yeah.
I will be there.
The singer-songwriter we have opening the show, she's only 15. She's a great
we
musician.
talked to her last time at the Chat and Do, actually. What's her name? Starts with a K.
Cameron. Oh. Cameron sings.
Yes,
and she's 15, and she writes her own songs, and it's great to see the young people getting involved in music.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. So that's why we keep going too.
Cool. Yeah. Well, excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
So that has been our show. What is coming up in the city of Arlington, you ask? On August 28th at 7:30 p.m., a Taste of Scotland at Hooligan's Pub. For all you Scotch drinkers out there, come by, have a finger or two of Scotch, and talk about Scotland. You will need to purchase tickets, though, so get that taken care of before you drop in. On August 29th, free co-working Thursday at Union Works, all day. Check out what all the hubbub is about and go see Lauren. Tell her Daryl sent you. On August 30th and September 1st at Division Brewing, it's going to be Fuzz Fest. 2 days of killer rock and roll right in downtown Arlington. On September 7th at 6 p.m. at Arlington Music Hall, the Eddie Peach 2019 Benefit Concert. All the proceeds go directly towards scholarships for AISD student athletes. Get your tickets and help some kiddos out, and also see a really great show. And also remember, until September 15th, you can check out the Keith Haring Against All Odds exhibit at Arlington Museum of Art. So check us out on social media. At Facebook, we are at Arlington Citizen Media. Twitter, ATX Citizen Media. Instagram is also Arlington Citizen Media. You can email us at arlingtoncitizenmedia@gmail.com. Also visit our website, www.arlingtoncitizenmedia.com. You can subscribe to The Downtown at Apple Music, Spotify, Google Podcasts. Leave us some 5-star reviews. You can also find us on SoundCloud, iHeartRadio, and YouTube. As always, thank you for listening to the show, and go out there and rediscover your city. Now. Okay, no, I only needed one clap.